Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to search history in Google Lens. If you want to review an image that you've searched before, we will guide you step by step on how to find your Google search history easily. On your mobile phone, if you want to search the mobile lens history, we will start by opening the Play Store. Go ahead and tap it. Once you are in the Play Store, tap your profile menu. Tap this, then tap this option. Once you tap that, you will be taken to the next screen. Next, tap Manage Apps and Device. Once you're here, go to the Data and Privacy section. Tap this option. After that, we need to turn on Web and App Activity. Let's tap here to open it. Tap this. If it is turned off, we just need to turn it on. Once it's on, tap the Mobile Links logo. Tap this one. Once tapped, scroll down to the bottom. Here, we can see our activity and history of mobile ads. That's it. We have now learned how to view Google Lens history.